Hey there, hey from Kiev. And there was always one topic that I would like to speak about it. And yesterday, I even saw the video that made me even feel this more. So directly to the topic, a lot of time I heard like, Tanya, why Ukrainians don't like Russians? It's not Russians make this war. It's only Putin. It's only like propaganda. It's a government, but it's not people. People don't want this and so on. Don't want. So I will be at home and I find the official link that written. That I don't remember exact numbers, but it was something like from 70 to 80% of Russians support the invasion to Ukraine. So, okay, this first. I put the link in the description box down below. Second, the video that I saw yesterday. I know that since 2022, Russia rebuilt Mariupol. They built a new residential complex where people can live and so on and so on. But, the videos that I saw yesterday, it's destroyed apartments that people left in a hurry evacuation with their items, with their clothes. Russian going there to settle in and just live.
Покидали в спешке свое жилье.
Очень мало уцелевшей недвижимости. Спрос очень большой.
Пока мы готовили выпуск, мы столько интересного и даже удивительного увидели.
Это нонсенс, это специфика.
Квартиры восстанавливают, и цена сразу возрастает.
And they even have a realtor that is working in Mariupol, showing Russians nice flats, a nice apartment, and just complaining about this apartment, it's a little bit more destroyed. Another apartment, this could be a little bit better, but you have a nice view. It's a historical area of Mariupol.
Ну, с балкона вид может и шикарный, но здесь, конечно...
Да, квартира требует ремонта после...
Капитального.
Капитального, да.
Пойдемте посмотрим, что там на балконе.
Смотрите, видно отсюда наши известные шпили, центр города, историческое место. Эти здания пережили уже не одну войну и, как видите, сохранились.
Yeah, it is like some child bed, some children's clothes. Yeah, you can see bed sheets and everything, people left in hurry, but we sell it like this. You can buy and you can just move in.
Последствия, которые пережила эта квартира, а на перспективу. Квартира имеет большую площадь, имеет очень шикарную планировку. Этой регистрации мы смело можем выходить на сделку в любом МФЦ.
And I see for them is no problem to go and just to live in other people's apartments, just get rid of their clothes, items, they just can throw someone's life and just build their lives in new city. And I have just a question, it's streets and flats where people were killed and they're just going to move in and live there, build their lives, and that's okay. It was tragedy in Mariupol. It was killing, it was murdering. People died of hunger, of shelling, and so on because of Russia. And now Russians came there and going to live peacefully. Another question. Does Russia doesn't have enough place where they can buy real estate and just live there? Why do they need to go to Mariupol and live in this energy and just live in someone's flat? How they can wake up each morning and notice that actually it's not their apartment. Someone live there and they probably don't want to move, but they have to move because a lot of people just died and Russia invaded Mariupol, and they just yeah, okay, we just throw old items, buy this apartment, and we will just live there. Like, what's the problem? Yeah, it's like the flat need just a little bit of renovation, and all this stuff, and so on. But it's like kind of okay. Like, why not? So if next time you think about like Russians are totally innocent people, and it's only Putin, and Russians are nice, and it's just people, they just don't want, they're not allowed to speak, and so on, just look at their actions, where they live, what they do, what is moral behind all this. Honestly, but you know what I believe in karma. If you're going to settle in a city that is not yours, in the stolen city, in the city where you murder people and people died, and you're going to live in the apartment, oh wow, I cannot say in YouTube where they will burn, but you get my point. So it's all about karma, it's all about energy, and I don't know, like, what to wish them. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for interest to Ukraine, and yeah, goodbye, see you very soon.